2 rounds a minute. It's quite fast. Yes, sir.
There's different types of cannonballs. Couldn't they fire a chain round?
Not necessarily out of rifle gun, mostly out of smoothbores. They had, you're right, they had all kinds. They even had bar shot. That kind of act like a chain, but it's 2 bars attached. A lot of that was used for naval warfare because those are designed to tear up rigging on a ship and knock down the mast and all that kind of stuff. In the field, you're not going to find that. The typical rounds you're going to find are shell, which are 10-pound rounds, hollowed out inside. They've got they're iron rounds, have lead balls in the middle, stabilized in a sulfur mixture, and then you put a fuse down in that. So I could actually sit here and say, I'm not trying to hit something on the ground, but I see a bunch of troops coming. I can set a fuse, figure out how much time it's going to take to get there, and have it explode over their heads.
Send down those balls.
Send everything down on them. The other thing is, if the infantry is getting too close, we have something called canister, which is a tin can filled with 69 caliber round balls. So it makes this into a giant shotgun. And if you're paying attention to Civil War movies, stuff like that, if you hear him give commands, you'll hear a canister, which means 1 round of canister. You'll hear double canister, which means they put 2 rounds of canister down there, 1 powder charge. This will decimate a group of soldiers in no time. Has anyone seen the movie Gettysburg? Okay, you've seen the cannon scene where they're going up the Federals at there, they blow the Confederates away. That was canister. Except for that mist wouldn't have been white, it'd have been red. Because all it does is turn people into hamburger. War's not a pretty thing, so these guys suffered a lot in what they did. We have to respect what they did on both sides, because they, it takes a lot of courage to walk out there in a hail of lead. And